Hello, first grade. How are you? Good? Nice. Today, your activity is very nice and easy. Okay? We are going to do an origami. Do you know what an origami is? It is a Japanese technique to create by folding paper. Okay? So we need a paper that you are going to cut in a square. Okay? So all four sides has the same size. Okay? One paper in a square. Then, with your paper, you're going to fold in half. Now, we have a triangle. Then, you're going to pick up this first part here, this pointy part, fold, creating a small triangle. Then you're going to pick up the other side and create another small triangle. Okay? Don't forget to mark here, so then your paper is going to be very nicely folded. Okay? Okay, so you can do like this or like this. If you do like this, you have a cat. If you keep upside down, you fold this part to the top. Then you have a dog. You need to draw the eyes. Here you're going to make the nose and the tongue, and you have a dog. If it is a cat, you're going to draw on this side here the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. And then it is a cat. Okay? If you want, you can also fold the part here on the top, so then your cat is going to look cuter. When you finish, please send me a picture because I want to see your origami. Okay? Bye-bye. See you.